Hi friends. Hi friends. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. I am also doing well. So this is Renugiri and you are watching my channel Motivation with Balyangarh. So friends, I am going to teach you today the exercise of part of speech. We will do exercise of part of speech. But before that, if you are liking my videos, please like, subscribe and comment in my channel so that I can be motivated by your comment. So let's start. Here some of the sentences, and we will underline sentence words. We will identify whether it is a noun, adjective or adverb, what it is, what is the part of speech it is. Okay, so underline words we will identify. Okay, so let's start. Still waters run deep. Still waters run deep. That means still water, ठहरा हुआ पानी. Still water, ठहरा हुआ पानी. तो ये किसके बारे में बता रहा है? पानी. Waters means water bodies. Waters means water bodies. So जो ठहरा हुआ पानी होता है, जो water bodies होती है, वो run deep. वो क्या होता है? वो डीपर लेवल तक होता है. That means this still is adjective and it is the uh, uh, this adjective is identifying the sorry this adjective is add something to waters. It is adding some meaning to waters. So still means ruka hua. Still waters, waters noun and still adjective. Still is adding some meaning to waters. Okay, so it's adjective. Next one is he still lives in the house. He still lives in the house. Still means abhi bhi. Abhi bhi. Here it's still means abhi bhi. Lives means रहता है. So here still is adding something meaning to verb. So it is adverb. Lives means verb and still is adding meaning to lives, verb. So it is adverb. Third, after storm comes the calm. After storm, storm के बाद. So here it is preposition. Here it is preposition. The explanation is it is showing the relationship between storm and comes. Storm and comes. Storm when comes after the storm comes the calm. Yes, storm comes the calm. When comes calm? After storm comes calm. So it is adding some relationship between storm and comes. Next, it is the after effects of drug is bad. After effects here effect is noun. Okay, effects, prabhav. So the after effects of the drug is bad. So it is adding something. After is adding some meaning to effect. After effect. So it is adjective here. Next, the up train is late. It is here it is explaining about up is explaining about train. Up train, down train, we call up train, down train, जाने वाली ट्रेन, आने वाली ट्रेन. So here the up is adding meaning to train, up train. So it is adjective. Next, star mark we will study later. He told us all about the battle. he told us all about the battle. So it is telling relationship between all and battle. Yes, it is showing relationship between all and battle. He told us all about that battle. So it is, if it is showing relationship between two things, so it is, if it is showing relationship between two nouns, then it is preposition. So here it is preposition about. Next, he was only a yard off me. Here it is also adding something, relationship between, showing relationship between yard and me. Okay, here off is showing relationship between yard and me. He was only a yard off me. वह केवल कितना दूर है, यार्ड ऑफ, यार्ड एक, केवल एक यार्ड दूर है. तो he was only a yard of me. So of is showing relationship between yard and me, so it is preposition. Yard is also a noun, me and is also a noun, so it is showing relationship between two nouns. Ninth one is suddenly one of the wheels came off. क्या हो गया? Came off, वर्किंग करना बंद कर दिया. Suddenly one of the wheels came off. So ये किसके बारे में ऑफ बता रहा है? Off is showing, adding meaning to come. Come. Suddenly one of the wheels came off. Adding meaning to came. Came. Okay. So here it is adjective. Sorry, adverb. Because come is verb and off is adverb. Then Muslims fast in month of Ramzan. Here fast is verb. It is very simple. Muslims fast in the month of Ramzan. It is very simple. Verb. Next is he kept fast for a week. Kept, here kept is verb and the fast is noun. Okay. So he kept fast for a week. वो एक सप्ताह के लिए फास्ट रखा. So here fast is noun. Next, he is on the committee. He is on the committee. So here on is showing relationship between is and committee. Okay. On is showing relationship between is and committee. So when something is showing relationship between two things, two parts of speech, that is called here helping verb and here committee. So there is two parts of speech and the third one is preposition. So it is showing relationship between is and committee. So on is preposition. वह कमिटी में है. On means यहाँ में होगा उसका meaning. Let us move on. On is adding meaning to move. On is adding meaning to move. So here on will be adverb. Sit down and rest a while. While means noun. थोड़ी देर के लिए आराम कर लो. Sit down, बैठो, and rest, आराम करो, a while, थोड़ी देर के लिए. So while is a noun. The underlined word is noun. I will watch while you sleep. So here while is conjunction. While is connecting two sentences. I will watch, you sleep. So you sleep, तुम सोओगे, तुम सोते हो. I will watch, मैं देखूंगा, मैं ध्यान रखूंगा, मैं वॉच रखूंगा. While, जब तुम सोओगे. So here it is connection between two sentence. While is connecting two sentence, it is conjunction. And then last one is they while away their evenings with books and games. while away उनका इवनिंग कैसे जाता है? while away जाता है मीन्स वर्ब, their evenings with books and games. कहाँ पे? books and games में. so here part of speech is verb. so friends, this is exercise of part of speech. Please do this exercise, and if you are finding any difficulty in doing this exercise, please write in comment box. I will clear your doubts, and please like, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.